Alright, this is my 2023 Kia Sportage. Has 40,000 miles on it, and the seat, only after 2 years, you could see is cracking all the way up. So I took it to the dealer, and they're looking into it, and they called me back and said it's under warranty, which it should be. It's supposed to be 100,000 mile warranty on the drivetrain, 10 years, and I don't know what the interior is, but obviously it's under warranty. So they are going to replace it. So I'm happy about that. Alright, let's take a look at the replacement seat cover. I had it done today. So they replaced the whole seat cover under warranty, and they told me that this was done on the outside. They don't do it themselves. So these are the guys that did it, Top Stitch and Trim, out in Loves Park, Illinois. What they told me was here the foam gets compressed and pulls away. So what they did was put in new foam and built that up with a heavier foam so it doesn't compress as easily. Hopefully we'll have better luck with this one. But they did a nice job. It was done in a matter of hours.